morning, folks. The Lone Wolf Rides here once again, and guess what? It's another sunny day. How about that? Another sunny day. So today I'm going out for a ride. I'll meet up with Andy, John, Mark, and the four of us, and we're travelling over to a place called the Old Smithy. It's up in the Peak District, and there it's at Monyash, and it's quite a, if you want, a popular or famous bike riders haunt. So it'll be busy. Give you a rough idea of the route. I'm meeting the lads at Penkridge, and then we'll go round through Milford, across Milford Common, and then out towards a place called Worthy Bridge. Once we've done that, we'll be across over to through the lanes up across Blithfield Reservoir and onto Utoxeter. We're going to run past Utoxeter, through Utoxeter, round past Roster, that's JCB. We'll go past there and up towards Ashbourne, windy roads up towards Ashbourne. And once we get up towards Ashbourne, we'll it's a straight road up to Monyash, but straight as it looks, but it's quite twisty, some undulations, bit of a few little hills, I believe. So there might be a bit of banter. I'm trying something new. I'm trying to get the intercom tied in with the bit of recording. We'll dodge the potholes, and we'll see how we go, shall we? It's a Thursday. It's the second day on the trot that the weather's been nice. I went out the other day and it was nice, the other weekend, but today's much nicer. Temperatures are around about 10 degrees, 11 degrees, and it looks fair. Although you go up towards the Peak District, it does vary quite a bit. You can get mist and all sorts. So what I'm probably going to do is, once I've met the lads, swap the camera over and put you on a bit of scenic on the front so as you can see a bit, and I might a little bit of interjection with conversation, but predominantly I think it's going to be just a bit of a scenic run. So that's the plan for the day. Hopefully a little bit of lunch, a bit of banter, a bit of chat about life in general, and then another ride back on a very similar route. Andy's done the routes, so I've got them ready in my route app to put in. So that's about it, really. It's nice to be able to get out again and try and get a bit of the wheels turning. How long this dry spell is going to last for, God only knows. Might be days, might not be that long. But we'll make the best of it today while we're out. Not much going on channel wise. You've probably seen a few of the videos. IOC, don't forget LWR22 gets your discount on any IOC products. C3, C6, C9BX, the R1 dash cam, any of that lot. And I don't want on in off the tyre pump, which I don't know, if you want a good pump for your tyres while you're out, you will get one better than that. And that one, more code on that is TLWR 8, it's your 8%. I think that's 8% on top of what I'm doing. So you could get yourself a decent price. So we'll see what the day brings, shall we? Nice. It's always busy, ain't it? Oh, the Monyash calf's ram today. Yeah. She's saying turn right up here, is that about right? Look at this way, John. Yeah. Sure, I need to turn right then, John.